boys and girls. We have been practicing our long and short sounds. In music, there are long sounds and there are short sounds. Short sounds. So today we're going to practice with our song Snail, Snail, which sounds like this. Snail, 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 go around and round and round. So we've got a visual here, and whenever we see the long lines, that represents the long sounds in the song. And whenever we see the short lines, that represents the short sounds in the song. So let's sing it together. Ready, sing. Snail, 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 go around and round and round. Let's try that again. Take your finger and point along with me to the long and short lines. Ready, sing. Snail, 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 go around and round and round. Great job. This time, instead of singing the words of the song, we're going to actually say long whenever we see a long line and short whenever we see short lines, like this. Long, 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 short, 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 long. Good, let's try that again. Take your finger and point to long. Ready, sing. Long, 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 short, 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 long. Nice job. Now this time we're going to tap our leg for the long sounds. Long, 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 long. And for the short sounds, we're going to snap our fingers. Short, 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 long. Let's try that again. We're tapping for the long sounds, and we're snapping for the short, 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 and then back to long. So tapping and snapping. Ready, say, long, 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 short, 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 long. Good, do that one more time for good luck. Ready, go, long, 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 short, 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 long. Good, this time let's challenge ourselves and take the words out of our mouths and put the words inside our head. We're thinking in our head long and short and tapping and snapping. Ready, think. Nice, one more time. Think and tap. Great job, everybody. Feel free to practice along with your favorite instrument, and we'll see you next time.